saya perlu baik regional support kita ada college week di negara Bhoi mah dan penyipi kumno kata karkom kayaknya bay long college week man alu kat no enjoy gi student teachers everyone kibadon hane compound ne dan penyipi notice board ang bay ne dari Bhoi college week student union ini nadu arf tarik arfnya tarik mah dan kita di last arfnya arf sama lawan therefore sun arf ndu kemana ya let's see let's go.
Good afternoon, everyone, dear judges, teachers, and all my friends.
Make some noise, audience! Music!
Best ramp walk. Any guesses? Who will get the subtitle of Best Ramp Walk 2026?
Best round walk goes to Mr. Eko Macho, contestant number 1. Let's give him a big round of applause. Take a round. Yes. Music. Which contestant number?
From the Best Catwalk 2026. Any guesses from which
Contestant number 2.
Kejam session kan start mentang sepang ne. Nampak TV kibru nama dia Bunha. The student. Ya, yang ngilik photoshoot ada photoshoot mana? Ngilik jam session. Welcome to the Bhoi College where people are sweet and beautiful. Let's go guys. Ya, mentang ngilik jam session ya. Ini dari mana? Mr. Bhoi. Hey bro. And those friends. So you guys are going to So you guys are coming on YouTube. Okay. You subscribe to my bro. Bro, yang model.